Good morning.
Morning.
What day is today? You have school?
No.
No school because today is
Taco.
Saturday. Kape muna tayo. Hmm.
I eat mata.
What?
Nani?
No, Daddy drinking coffee.
No, I eat it.
Okay, let's go. Okay, good morning guys. It's Sunday. We're gonna walk Lucky. So ngayon Sunday, still cold pero hindi masyado, hindi katulad nung isang araw. So bukas trabaho na naman tayo. Tapos na yung 3 days off natin. So lakad muna tayo. Kasi gusto niyang lumabas kanina pa. Say my name is Lucky. Nice meeting you guys. So dito lang kami naglalakad sa neighborhood. And then ewan ko hanggang saan kami aabot. Kung mga pagod na siya, magyaya na yan umuwi. So exercise ko na rin to. So guys, kumusta ang weekend nyo? So I think mamaya pupunta kami ng Jersey City tsaka sa Costco. So tingnan ko kung anong plano ng misis ko mamaya. So kahapon Sabado pumunta lang kami sa party. May nag-invite sa amin, 60th birthday party. And then no, Lucky, no, Lucky, come on. And then after the party, dumiretso kami sa church kasi nagsisimba kami every Saturday. And then after the mass, may Christmas party yung church. So nakabili kami ng ticket. So nag-attend kami ng Christmas party. I'll show you guys some clips. So dito na kami sa Lodi Church Christmas party, right Lay?
Yeah,
After the mass, meron Christmas party.
Gusto ko TV.
So after the Christmas party, umuwi na kami siguro by 9 o'clock, 9 p.m. 6 o'clock natapos yung mass. So yun ang Sabado day off ko. Yung Friday day off ko, nakita nyo na yung in-upload ko ng video. So itong upload ko for Saturday and Sunday. And then bukas, Monday, back to work na tayo. Na mahabang week na naman to para sa akin kasi pagkatapos ng weekend off ko, I work the following weekend. Bilis maglakad ni Loki, oh. Where you going? You wanna go home now? Huh? Oh, parang inuuwi na niya ako. Pag uwi, ang bilis niya maglakad, oh. Alam na niya yung daan pauwi sa bahay. Okay, so kita-kita na lang tayo mamaya ulit. kung anong plano ng misis ko. Sabi niya pupunta kami doon sa Philippine Bread House, bibili ng pandesal tsaka bicho-bicho, and then mag Costco, grocery sa Costco. Okay, kita tayo mamaya. Alright,
Guys, look, what do we have here?
let's go. Where?
Ano yung pala cemetery ka on the way para na City.
Cemetery kita ko na?
Kabar,
Guys, I told Sam
birada kita para Sabado.
Kaya ta Sierra Elpan?
Ano sa isa?
because, you know, we couldn't find
Costco?
Sally's
No, Jersey City.
budget. We're
Ito
heading
yung City, alas 5.
Oh,
Kato lang lang kita.
Wow! 1 minute. 1 minute. Stay there, guys.
hindi lang una to, Alyaba,
What? Okay, here's that driver.
una Jersey City.
Ako na Jersey City, ano nga na kita.
Hi, how are you?
Okay, dito na kami sa Jersey City. Dito kami sa Philippine Bread House. Philippine Bread House.
Mom.
Sarap ng pandesal nila dito.
No, not that. The other one.
Got cheese roll eh?
Yes.
Regular. Basta ka lang makapinit.
What's a regular? No, Lane, not that. It's regular, but
Yeah. One tracer.
¿Cuánto vilo?
Huh?
¿Cuánto
Mga
vilo?
tres.
Lane, wait.
Ano yung sila kinakain? Instead of the beach. Okay, I got it.
Pan de coco.
Mom.
Okay. Look at the cake, Lane.
Wow.
Wow, look at the cake.
Look at the cake.
Salamat. Say salamat.
Salamat.
Okay, let's go. Sarap talaga ng pandesal nila dito. Talagang babiyahe kami ng 20 minutes to come here just for the pandesal. Pero sulit, masarap talaga yung pandesal nila. Red ribbon. Okay? Pwede ba, okay?
Man standby lang to. Hindi, ito tuloy. Okay. Ang kilani ko. Ang dato lang. Let me get a bag. I'm just...
Okay, yung asawa ko na lang bumaba, pumunta sa Red Ribbon. Doon ang Red Ribbon. Okay, sana makapasok pa kami. We just found a parking. Costco.
13 men. 12 men.
Okay. Nakapasok pa rin kami. They close in 15 minutes. $72. Edi so pwede yan. Ha?
Uno guys, ese uno iced tea. Pwede man todo tatong masoda.
night in the dark. At least when I'm not with you, it's like without you I just fall apart. And I don't know what I'm heading into, 'cause all of my emotions flow in a way that I just can't control. 'Cause I'm new to this, I don't know.
Okay, let's go home. This Costco, too much traffic here.
Take it easy on my heart, otherwise I fall apart. I'm alive with you. Take it easy on my heart, otherwise I fall apart. Alive, alive, alive. You got no limits, I like that you're free. I wanna be that way with you. Chasing highs to take the weight out of me. Far from lows, I don't ever feel blue. 'Cause
So nasa bahay na kami. That's it guys. I think kakain lang kami ng dinner. And then magpahinga na maaga because tomorrow we have work. Tomorrow is Monday. So salamat sa inyo lahat. And thank you for watching.